Why is it so important to have a symmetrical face? Now, you need to figure out why you have an asymmetrical face in the first place. A lot of it comes from genetics, but a lot of it isn't genetic. So here's 4 things that you can do to get a more symmetrical face permanently. And I'm gonna go in chronological order of the things that are gonna take the longest that you need to start right now, and then the things that you can start later on and actually see a quicker result. So the first thing you need to do is fix your teeth. You can do this by getting braces, Invisalign. Your teeth play a massive role into the shape of your jaw. Keeping your mouth closed and doing what I like to call mewing, where basically you keep your tongue at the roof of your mouth and lightly press your teeth together. Over time, this will straighten out your teeth without braces, but braces are the more sure way to make sure this works. The second thing is sleeping on your back. This is something that not a lot of people think about, but when you sleep on your side, your facial features actually droop towards that side. Especially if you have a regular pillowcase that isn't silk, this is gonna cause wrinkles on your face due to the friction of the pillowcase. What you need to do is take the side that you usually sleep on, switch sides for a couple of weeks or maybe even months. This is gonna go and even out the facial features that have drooped to that wrong side and make them even. And once they're even, what you need to do is start sleeping on your back. The third thing that you can do is chew equally on both sides. Throughout your whole entire lifespan, you don't even understand or realize the fact that you're chewing more on one side typically, and this is strengthening the muscle located in the corner of your jaw, also known as your masseter. Your masseter muscle is like any other muscle. If you train it, it's gonna grow. So chewing on one side is gonna make it grow more than the other side. So in order to avoid this, what I recommend doing is chewing mastic gum. Mastic gum is a hard gum. I actually have a link in the description of the video if you guys want to try it out. What you want to do is chew one piece on each side. It's going to strengthen your muscles, like I said, but also it's going to even them out because you're chewing them equally on both sides. So just make sure you're chewing your food equally on both sides, as well as chewing gum to help even out and strengthen those masseter muscles, improving your jawline throughout the process. The fourth and final thing, but this is actually the easiest thing to do, is actually getting an even haircut. And it's really easy. You want to get it centered towards the middle. This is the main key point. Some haircuts that are centered towards the middle are a middle part, messy fringe, messy flow, slick back. All of these hairstyles are centered towards the middle of your face. I know I said I was going to give you guys 4 different things you can do, but I had to give in some bonus tips as well. And this is the accessories that you wear. You can actually wear a necklace, earrings, or any sort of facial jewelry. And if you make sure it's even on both sides, it's going to help with that symmetry. This includes glasses too, but make sure you get glasses that suit you. Don't get some sort of ugly looking eyewear. The final thing that I recommend paying attention to is the hair on your face. This includes your eyebrows, eyelashes, and facial hair if you're a guy. Now, what you can do to even this out is just take the inverted filter, say on TikTok, and start flipping it around a little bit. You'll notice your eyebrows change places, your facial hair is going to change places, and just line it up to make sure it's even on both sides. After doing this, it's going to contribute to the overall symmetry of your face and get you closer to the golden ratio that you've always desired. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later.